Hey folks, your OS Reviews. You're watching our video first look and a quick review of the Canbor wireless Bluetooth headphones. These do have CVC 6.0, which is noise cancellation, so it uses an integrated microphone to reduce background noise. So if you're on an airplane or near an airport, it's going to block out the sound when you're enjoying your music. It sells on Amazon for about $30, which is fairly inexpensive. It does have an aluminum and metal component, so they do look and feel a bit more premium than the price may suggest. And we're also very impressed with the packaging here. You can see that it actually comes in this plastic looking box. It's one of the fanciest packagings we've actually seen from a Bluetooth headset, especially one at this price point. It's going to work with any Bluetooth cell phone, smartphone, or MP3 player, and it uses Bluetooth version 4.0. It also has aptX support on board. So this is a plastic box. There is a lid which opens up on the very top. And then you can fold things open to reveal the earphones and also a micro USB charger on the inside. The box needs to be kind of separately opened here. And again, we have the aforementioned earphones. We'll take a closer look at that in a moment. There's a flat ribbon wire for the micro USB charging. It takes roughly 2 hours to completely charge. And afterwards, we listen to music for roughly 6 to 7 hours without any issues. And then you have to recharge it again. Also comes with a set of included wings and also silicone tips to get a more custom fit. The wings help the actual earphones stay in place if you plan on moving around. These aren't waterproof earphones, but they are sweatproof, so they do work fairly well for exercising and going to the gym as well. As part of wireless earphones, basically they operate by having the wire go over the back of your neck, and then these actually fit onto the insides of your ear canal. Once again, we're using a flat ribbon wire, which prevents the unit from tangling up too much when you're carrying it around and transporting them. And again, we have that kind of metal accented finish on the very top, which makes them look quite sleek. As far as Bluetooth earphones go, they aren't the smallest we've seen, but also it's not overly bulky or too large to make them uncomfortable. We wore these again for 45 hours without any strain on our ears. We took a slight break and then finished it up. Before the battery ran out, we had to recharge it again. You can see there's also indications for the left and right ears for aligning it. And on the inside, there's also some accents. It uses a more glossy plastic, which attracts a fair amount of fingerprints, but overall, a pretty sleek presentation. We also like the addition of the inline remote control, which offers tactile controls allowing you to turn the unit on and off by tapping on the center key. Tap on it for a few seconds longer to start the pairing mode, and you'll see a small LED also begin to flash to tell you that pairing has started. Next to it, it's also going to act as the microphone for noise cancellation and for answering calls. It's going to support Android and iOS devices, so if you have an incoming call, you can use it to place your voice calls. It's not a noise canceling mic, but it does a good job nonetheless, and there's also volume controls for adjusting the music as well as the in-call volume. The center key also dubs as a play-pause key as well as an answer-reject call key once you're paired with a smartphone. So moving on to the audio quality and performance of these Canbor earphones next, we were generally pleased because they do have CVC noise cancellation. There's a slight static or a bit of distortion in the background. Noise cancellation is still something that you can't turn off on most wireless earbuds, which means that since they are included, the sound quality is not going to be as pure or as crisp as some more traditional earphones, let's say. So for more discerning audiophiles, perhaps not the best. It's not going to work, the best for classical music, but as long as you're modest in your expectations, you're listening to electronic music, pop music, we were generally pleased with these. They also have a reasonable amount of bass in the background, so it creates some thump and some punches at lower frequencies, which is certainly nice to see. And I think for most folks, especially people on a bit of a budget or maybe buying a pair just to take with them when they're exercising, not really listening too closely, maybe taking on a trip and you don't want to bring something overly expensive, these are certainly a compelling pair to consider. The presentation, everything looks nice as well, so perhaps could also be considered as a gift in this upcoming holiday season. You can check out more details about these earphones, including some performance and tests that we ran in our full written review, but this has been our video. Thanks for watching this video review here at OS Reviews.